Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so ads run cleanly. Make sure product variants, SKU, and inventory sync with Shopify and the chosen ad platform. Next, connect and verify your Facebook or Google ad account inside Shopify, grant permissions, and enable Pixel or Conversion API. Once done, pick a clear campaign objective, traffic, conversions, or ROAS, and decide a daily budget. This first actionable setup reduces wasted spend and lets you gather early conversion data quickly. Now create the actual ad sets. Start by defining 2 to 3 audiences, broad interest, a lookalike from purchasers, and a retargeting list. For each audience, prepare a /B creatives, variations of headlines, images, or short videos, and a single optimized landing page to control variables. Set bidding strategy, manual CPC if you want control or target CPA for efficiency, and schedule ads for your top converting hours. Make sure to enable UTM tracking, so analytics tie ad clicks to Shopify conversions. Finish by optimizing and scaling based on real results. Review click-through rate, conversion rate, cost per acquisition, and ROAS. Give each test 3 to 7 days to collect meaningful data, then scale winning ad sets gradually, 10 to 20% daily, and pause or rework low performers. If conversions never appear, troubleshoot the Pixel and Conversion API, confirm product pages and shipping settings, and run a test purchase to check checkout flow. Adjust creatives and audience targeting based on user behavior insights.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.